Alright, let's do an unboxing of the JBL CSS-1ST. This is a 70 volt, 8 ohm commercial type sort of bookshelf wall mount speaker. It's not a ceiling speaker. So let's check it out. I already opened the box earlier, so anyways, we'll count this as an unboxing. So at the top you get a bunch of stuff here. You get some safety wires that this clips into one end of the speaker. That's on the speaker side actually. And then this can screw to something here. I like this setup. I wish Yamaha did that. Give you like a little tab there with a hole in it so you can screw it into something. That's what Yamaha should have given you, but they didn't. On the VC4B, which I just reviewed. So you get two of those safety straps. You get like a ball socket type mount here. The nut, this goes to the wall, and this side goes into the speaker, and you tighten this. You get two of those. And actually, this little tool is you stick this in here, and that's how you tighten that locking nut there for the ball and socket. Okay. And then we got manual here. I'll pull one of the speakers off here, since they're both the same. Some packing here. So overall impressions of the speaker, it's pretty hefty. I mean, it's got some weight to it. I was really surprised by these like rubber inserts it has here. Gives it a nice rubbery feel. When you're looking at the pictures, you can't really tell it. I mean, you can see this, but you can't tell that it's rubber. I'm not exactly sure why they do that. Maybe when it's sitting on something, it kind of gives it a grip, so it won't slide around. And it's very effective, actually. It's kind of moving the whole table here, so I really like that touch. That's just like a nice quality feel to it. The whole speaker just feels very quality. Let's see here. What size is the woofer? Oh yeah, it's 5.25 inch woofer with a 3/4 inch tweeter. This grill comes off actually, which is kind of cool. So you can take that off. Grill feels really nice too. It's got like a rubberized kind of surround thing to it. It's ported. It's got a port there for the bass. That's pretty cool. It's a cute little speaker. It feels nice. The tweeter looks good. And then on the back side here we have the whole threaded hole for the ball mount, socket mount system. And then we have this is for the actual safety chain, loops around this. And then you have your positive and minus terminals here, sort of like a pressure type terminal, locking terminals here. Pretty cool. The gauge, the hole looks actually kind of small. So I'm going to be using 16 gauge wire, so that might be kind of a challenge getting, I'm going to daisy chain two of these together, so I hope that's not going to be an issue. I wish they were a little bit bigger than that actually, and so whatever, I'll figure it out. And then the tap is back here. This little plug comes out, and then you stick like a small little jeweler screwdriver in there. That's a flat little screw in there, and then you can select it to the tap setting that you want. 70 volt. These go up to 10 watts. You got 10 watts, 5 watts, 2.5 watts, 8 ohm, and then the 100 volt line, which I'm not going to use. Let me just put this little plug back. So, and that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Yeah, I'm hoping this ball and socket really holds its weight. If I use that, I might be able to set these on a shelf and then just attach the safety chain to them. But I really like that rubberized coating on there. That is a super nice touch. You know, it just keeps it really in place. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, my overall impressions of the speaker, I'm pretty surprised. You know, the price point wasn't too bad. It was about 85 bucks a speaker, so I guess that's a little high. That's not too bad though. Seems like you're getting a good quality speaker just from the fit and finish of the speaker here. And we'll just slap the grill back on, see how that goes on there. Just kind of sits in there with pressure. Kind of wish JBL didn't make their logo so big and not use orange right there. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, I wish this was a little bit smaller. I guess you could put some black tape over that or something if you didn't want that showing too much. The grill, actually now that I kind of look at it, the grill's a little too, it kind of flexes like that. And the grill's a little too big, like it sticks kind of way out there. Yeah, they could have made that more low profile. And it seems like they could have made the grill actually, now that I really look at it, less transparent because you can just see everything right through it. It's kind of interesting. You know, like they would have given it, put some felt underneath it. I wonder if I could probably get some black felt and put some, and glue that to that just so you can't see, you know, the speaker. Maybe they wanted you to see it. I don't know. It's interesting. Most grills have that felt on it, so you can't see the speaker itself. But anyways, that's what they chose to do. So yeah, looking forward to either going to a restaurant. And I'm just in a place where it was not possible to put a ceiling speaker. So I'm interested to see how these perform. So hopefully they perform as well as they look. And we'll find out. And I'll probably end up doing a video on that. And once they're installed, then I'll make a video showing how they look and how they sound. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching.